Alright, this is Liberty stock number 50239. It's a Sunnen model SV-500-S2 vertical honing machine, serial number 1H1-1004, built 2012. It's equipped with a Zycom ProPhase CNC controller, which is Windows based, 3-axis hand wheel allowing for fine tuning of the vertical stroke, hone tool position and column position. It has auto dwell features for board geometry and size, which sizes automatically. Also has a rail mist collector, top mounted.
There it is, you're looking at it right up on top. Sure. Take a look at the front end a little bit, control, fixturing, come around the machine, or I just want to take a walk here. All the windows are off. You can pretty much see what's going on here. We do have the main bracket sleeve off or up on top for guiding the tool. We can show that in a minute. So we got hydraulic clamping, you got the spindle all through here. We're full up right now out of the part. So going high. You see some of the column up there. Again, we got the windows off. There's the servo box here, spindle drive, all of that. We don't have it currently open. Down, straight down, keep going straight down. That's your hydraulic tank down there, hydraulic system. New disconnect. The old one is not working properly, so they brought one out, which is fine. Got my temporary 480 3-phase going into the electric panel. That is the electric panel. We have electrical documentation on the side here. I don't have it right in the panel. We do have drawings for it though. So, and if you come around the side, you can show some of the coolant section too. Air, coolant. We don't have none of that hooked up right now, so. Aside from the control, if you want to get a right side view to show the hydraulic lines, all the hydraulic gauges there's three hydraulic items up here. There's the clamping, upper and lower bladder, shuttle in out, and extractor up down, which pushes the part out. They all work. They all work hydraulically. I can show you one of them quite simply is on the shuttle. This is all the I/O right here. And what do you want to see? All the sleeve? Yeah, it's over on the side, sure. Yeah, we just took that off because we don't want to crash the tool after it goes through. When it comes back up rapid, we'd hit this.
Okay.
Yeah, and I think, like I said, I can shuttle in right now. We currently have automation on just so I can, I have to get up close on this thing, just so I can shuttle. When I hit shuttle in, whoops, there. You kind of missed it, but yeah. And I can shut that off. And shuttle out. It works nice. Oh, I don't know which one you're watching, so. This is just checking boxes, that's all I'm doing. If you want, I can show you again, otherwise we're good to go there. All right, you want to go in and out one more time?
Sure.
Yeah. Off and shuttle out. That said, I'm just going to go to settings up here now. Turn automation off, I think, if I can see. I can see if I have to get in here. I can't. Yeah, it's
because of glare.
Yeah, disable automation. Oh yeah, you got that going on there. And I'm going to hit OK or apply. Let me try apply. Let's see if this all works. And hit OK. I'm back into the main run screen. I'm going to go into main menu, which is right here, into run menu. And this is our whole front end right here. At this point, it shows everything that's going on with the setup, or a lot of it anyhow. The 2 bar graphs for progress rails, and if I hit the dual palms right now, it's going to come down, and spindle will come down. Let me make sure these lines are out of the way. Yeah, gotta move this one. There we go. And I'm just going to hit the dual palms right now, and it should take off, okay? Here we go. It'll come down slow, so you got time. Cycle running. It's coming down. See the post now? It's all down here.
I was watching it feed down.
Okay, because it goes to pre-hone and post-hone, and we're gonna hit that hose. I have to get that out of there, but for the time being, we're okay. It's cross-hatching right now, and it'll do a finish, a post-hone operation, still running. And really the best place to watch all this is on that side window over there, so I can do it one more. And that's just a post-home finish run now. It's at 60 RPM. We slowed it down so it doesn't beat itself up coming in and out of here. So yeah, I think we can put that right down there. So
Okay.
you want to hit it again then? Watch.
Yeah, I want to see the screen a little bit, and then I'll
All right,
watch
sure.
the side window.
Oh, it's got the error. I have to cancel out of this because it didn't see a part in there. Please wait. This is every time I do this. So, and manual recovery screen. Okay. Please wait. And we got to get back into it then. It's moving it back up into an operation. I'm back in now. So we're ready to go. You want to hit it? You good?
Yep.
That's the crosshatch there. It backs off and goes into post. Right there. Yep, and that is the cylinder they're running right here in the fixture, so that's kind of what they were doing, is right here, this guy, so it's in there. And anything else you want to see? We'll see it again from the get-go.
Can I watch the screen this time?
There's nothing to really
Really?
watch. No,
Right.
there's nothing. You can, I don't care. Let it do its thing. And manual air recovery, let's get back in. The graphs, it's done instantly as far as the computer's concerned.
Okay.
It's done instantly. You don't see anything. I can show you. It's done right away because it sees no go.
Yeah,
There
no
you
back
go. Yeah,
pressure.
you can. It's coming down. It comes in slow. Does it slow mo? See, the yellow line's already there. It was done before I even got my hands off the buttons. But it still goes through its 3 stages: pre-hone, hone, and post-hone. That's why you're seeing all that action out there. So if you want, I can start it from the get-go, and you could be right there watching it. Because the best part is when it comes down and when it first takes off. When I first hit, cycle starts. So. Let's see. Nothing changed. I don't get run back.